here skin friction is decreasing, also for surface temperature distribution. Here, heat generation parameter, when heat generation parameter is increasing, skin friction is also increasing, and when heat generation parameter increasing, surface temperature is also increasing. Finally, Joule heating parameter. When Joule heating parameter is increasing, skin friction is increasing, and when Joule heating parameter increasing, also surface temperature is increasing. Conclusion: the effect of temperature-dependent thermal conductivity on magnetic hydrodynamic heat conversion flow along a vertical plate in heat generation and Joule heating is studied numerically and graphically. Okay, the velocity profile within the boundary area increases, decreasing values of magnetic parameter and Prandtl number only, and increasing values of thermal conductivity, radiation parameter, heat generation parameter, and Joule heating parameter. For temperature profile, within boundary area increases values of magnetic parameter, thermal conductivity variation parameter, heat generation parameter, and Joule heating parameter, and only decreasing for values of Prandtl number. Significant effect of Prandtl number on the temperature profile have been found in this chapter. Okay, local skin friction coefficient decreases for the increasing values of magnetic parameter and Prandtl number, and increasing values of thermal conductivity variation parameter, heat generation parameter, and Joule heating parameter. Significant effect for Prandtl number and Joule heating parameter is shown here. Okay, thank you. One slide missing.
Yeah, well done. Despite that, it is a good presentation. Please give a recap of the is offered for discussion, please. Any questions? Just I would like to ask one question. You have shown in the conclusion that it was studied numerically and graphically. Can you just explain that what is in the graphically? In your conclusion, you have written.
Yes.
So also studied numerically and graphically. And graphical for different values of allowance. What is that? Can you just explain that, please?
Numerical computation done for 2019, but graphically presented here in several graphs.
This is presentation, not studied. I mean, have been presented numerically and graphically. That should be the right word, or have been studied numerically and graphically?
Presented.
Oh.
Presented. Okay.
Just a word.
Okay. No. Just I got confused that because my question will be hydrodynamics related, so I may not be able to ask the exact topic. Any question from the coach?
I am confused. Some of the results are presented. Sometimes X is varying from 1 to 3, and for some results X is varying from 1 to 5. What does it mean? The parameter.
For better picture, range of.
Show that slide.
You can just show that slide.
Yes. X is varying from 0 to 5. And to look at other results.
Yeah. 1, 3, 0 to 3, and 0.
It's the same parameter, I think.
Yes, same parameter, but the range when I went in Techlot, the better graph, I have to choose this range.
Is the physical significance of plate dimension or? X is a flat dimension, or what does it mean?
X
Non-dimensional parameter or dimensional parameter?
non-dimensional, yes.
So it should be, I'm not sure. If it is non-dimensional, it will vary from 0 to 1.
Okay, we can clarify it later. Then thank you for giving a nice presentation. And on behalf of Martech 2010, co-chairman Professor Afzal Ali and myself would like to thank all of you for successfully, for the success of this session. Thanks to all.
Thank you very much, Professor. We have found a pair of glasses. If someone has lost it, please collect it from here. Thank you very much.
Of the session.
Yes, I thought that, but I was expecting help all the time. Okay, so I welcome Mr. Arun Kumar there to present his paper.
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to the presentation after lunch. This is a paper not with any mathematics or any equation, because I got something that I do because I'm from this country. I was born here, brought up here, beside the river for many years. So that made me an analyzer. And I have been watching a lot of things and back in this maybe for many years, especially the size of vessels. But apart from that, I'll also tell something that the relevant government agencies, academics, they can take action. So these are some of the salient points of the presentation. Reduction in growth in the water waste, that's the main theme. And then I have just given one of the important aspects, the passenger vessel safety. And I did some static analysis. Actually, it was one of my students. He told me, sir, in China also we have the same problem. So why not we do a project on that? And then I found some conclusion. So this paper will highlight basically a few milestones in the Indian waterways, that how it can be utilized and the growth can be made, and also to sustain that growth over the next few stages. So these are the main points I will be talking very briefly on the classification of Indian waterways. We have three major rivers, but we have many other small rivers, estuaries, canals. There are classifications of the waterways, but I think it requires to be updated every couple of years based on something. Then addressing is one of the important feature in Bangladesh, because a lot of sales are coming from the upstream. Then some innovation in the issue design. What I see, what I saw when I was a young boy, still I see them. The same. Only the material has changed from wooden to steel. I don't think any other change has been made so far. Inland and coastal ports, we are improving more on the road transport, which is not good in the present climate technology. We should use more water transport, which is the cheapest, compared to rail and road air. Floating warehouses, this is something I'm thinking, because we are prone to floods every now and then. So during flood everything is gone, but if you have large floating warehouses, you can have consumer product, food, everything stored there. And then shipbuilding materials. I'll be talking because we have a tendency every time using steel. Then also energy, offshore islands, creating offshore islands, where operation is increasing very high rate of Bangladesh. We need more land. You know that the country I live now in Singapore, 30% of its present land is all from science, offshore islands increasing. Maritime education and training. Bangladesh has got a lot of institutions, but they are all fragmented. It is necessary that for such a small country that you bring under one umbrella, sharing the resources and getting most out of it. And that's the classification. So the classification of Indian waterways is mainly on the water depth is of course the first thing.